Welcome back to another review video, and today we're going to take a look at a very unusual and exciting project that is Shieldeum. Shieldeum and its token SDM will be launching on February the 20th at 1 PM UTC. The SDM token will be available on Uniswap and another SEX. Stay tuned for more details. Now what we're going to do in this video today is we're going to take you through the website, the roadmap, the SDM on Fun. We're going to take you through the white paper, and then we're going to have a look at their socials and see what they have been up to. Now, one of the key highlights of Shieldeum is its strategic partnership with Layer 0, integrating Layer 0's cutting-edge tech stack to enhance interoperability and scalability. Shieldeum is all about DPIN for AI, secure AI infrastructure layer built on decentralized physical infrastructure network. Now, the key features of Shieldeum are encrypted private network allowing for your anonymity, Shieldeum Launchpad for the best node sales offering security, fairness and flexibility. And finally, secure decentralized storage, an advanced network peer-to-peer distributed network to establish a more efficient and secure online environment. So they are the key features. And at the center of their business model is, of course, Shieldeum AI infrastructure, surrounded by the node pools, the protocol, the computing power, and of course the infrastructure and technology ecosystem. So very simple and very easy to understand what they are offering. The entire DPIN network is powered by the SDM token. That's the point of this video. We are trying to get your eyes on this so you can make the right decision. Gain voting power in the DAO, access to premium AI-powered services and more, with the list of features on the right. DPIN apps, hold for free EPN, API access, AI agent launcher, node pools and liquidity farming. This also has staking available. Now, before we go and have a look at the staking and other features of the platform, let's have a look at who they are partnered with. There are some huge names in here, including the likes of GT Protocol, Coinzilla, in addition to BNB Chain and PancakeSwap. And if we look under the hood of Shieldeum, you have your interface where you can see your nodes, where you can generate your EPN, you can see the threat protection, you can see the Bane Metal staking and the Telegram app. And what we're interested in here is the node pool, currently paying you 40%. You can stake any amount, earn rewards over time, and you can easily unstake. That's what we like to see from a staking pool. So once you've got your tokens, you can come along here, connect to your wallet and stake your SDM here. And on the left, under coming soon, you will see that there is the object storage and the launchpad that we have just told you about. So although not all the features are live, some of the core ones are, including staking. Now let's have a look at the roadmap. Where is Shieldeum headed in the next 2 years? Let's have a look. There are 84,000 users of the platform, 8,100 plus whitelisted partners, over 40,000 in computing power, and over 3,500 in bandwidth. And Q1 update Shanghai with bare metal, SDM crypto payment, acquisition of crypto project, AI optimized network performance. And Q2, which will be April, May and June this year, update Miami is coming. This will have the pad launch, the VPS hosting, travel booking and AI driven fraud detection. Amsterdam is July, August and September this year. Container hosting, object storage, Kubernetes, clusters and Shield AI agent. And in Q4, the Paris update, antivirus, CDN, optimizer and AI-powered data encryption optimization. So quite a mouthful for the roadmap, but it's good to see they're trying to do it in a staged release. They're not trying to rush things at the beginning. They're trying to do things at a steady pace. Overall then, solid roadmap. Brilliant to see some of the projects are coming in Q1, and it's nice to see what's going to be rolled out this year. I'm sure going into next year, they'll have a new roadmap. By the end of this year, pretty much every product that they have promised will be live. Now we know a lot more about the project, let's go and have a look at the white paper and have a look under the hood. Last year saw over $1.7 billion in cryptocurrency theft due to malware, viruses, fraudulent contracts or hacking, posing significant risks to any crypto holder. Traditional internet security solutions often prove inadequate in safeguarding digital assets. Enter Shieldeum, a decentralized physical infrastructure network offering cost-effective, user-friendly internet security solutions tailored for Web3 projects and cryptocurrency holders. They're trying to solve a problem that exists, always a good sign, and always great to see that can be covered in 1 or 2 sentences. What you don't want from a project is a 60-page white paper that requires a PhD in astrophysics to understand. Simple and easy. Now, each of the key projects that we mentioned at the beginning that were coming soon are listed here. The first one being Shieldeum EPN. This is an encrypted private network, the next evolution in online security tailored specifically for Web3. EPN combines the trusted privacy features of a virtual private network with cutting-edge protections against the unique threats posed by the decentralized landscape of Web3. Now, we're not going to cover all the benefits in here, but suffice to say, this is going to stop you from connecting your wallet to dodgy websites. It's going to stop you from downloading the wrong kind of wallet. It's going to try and provide you with real-time protection. And that's the key to trying to cut out some of the 1.7 billion in stolen funds. Next up, Shieldeum Bare Metal. This is their flagship product, Bare Metal Servers, and is designed to deliver unmatched security, flexibility and performance, ensuring your operations run smoothly and securely. Thirdly, Shieldeum Threat Protection. In the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency, safeguarding your assets from scams and phishing attacks is more crucial than ever. Introducing Shieldeum Threat Protection, our advanced AI solution designed to protect your project from malicious threats. And again, this operates in real time. It monitors your sites, it monitors your brand, and it reports in real time. It reports the threats immediately. This is very similar if you imagine McAfee antivirus software on your computer. This is the same thing for Web3. Now, as you know, I am a stickler for tokenomics. We've seen what the core products are of the project. We've seen the timeline. Now let's go and have a look at what the tokenomics stack up like. A total of 1 billion in supply. The fully diluted market cap at launch will be $9 million. The circulating number of tokens at launch will be 7.9 million. Circulating tokens at TGE, including liquidity, will be 75 million tokens. Again, not a huge number of tokens on day one. The launch price will be just under 1 cent, and you will be able to see that on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Now, we mentioned before, and before we go any further at tokenomics, we mentioned the sexes that it would be listed on. Some of those will be KuCoin, MEXC, Gate.io, PancakeSwap, which of course is a DEX, Bitpanda, and BingX. Some top tier exchanges. Why should they be listed on exchanges? Because it brings liquidity to the project and reduces the amount of volatility in the market. Back to the tokenomics then. What is the token distribution? 12% at seed, fairly reasonable. ChainGBT, who obviously are private investor, get 5% of the token. Public get 4.4%, 27% for liquidity, 14% for marketing. Ecosystem gets 16%. In total, not a bad looking distribution of the tokens. We've seen some horrific token distributions in the last few months with the likes of Trump and Melania and Libra. This is what a token distribution should look like. And that is that the token should be available at seed, yes, for investors, but it should also be available for marketing, for the ecosystem, and building the product into the future. And we've covered very briefly what the utilities are for the token SDM, but let's recap once again. Market demand, people will need the token to be able to use the platform. Market lockup, you will be able to stake and earn rewards from the token. Growth over time as the project expands, the value proposition will help the value of the token expand. And of course, the DAO, where you will be able to vote and make decisions with the future of Shieldeum. And as always, we do love a burn mechanism. 10% of the revenue is used to burn the SDM token. It will automatically be sent to the publicly trackable dead wallet. The percentage of revenue used for the burn is controlled by the DAO. Again, we like to see this because we like to see the number of tokens in circulation go down in time. However, there is a very low number of tokens in circulation on day one, and that's something you need to keep in mind. Now, it's always good to head over to CoinMarketCap to cross-check the available information in the white paper with the publicly verifiable information. As you can see here, the market cap is coming in at $3 million. The total circulating supply is 1 billion, and the current circulating supply is 116 million. So there's only 11.6% in circulation, but we've shown you who has the tokens, where they're being used, and when they're likely to be sold. Now let's head over to X, have a look at their X account, Shieldeum AI agent, just under 10,000 followers. Now, it's always important to follow anybody that you like to trade on X to find out what's happening, keep up to date with the project. Again, scrolling through here, you can see the announcements, you can see the AI bot in action, you can see it tweeting out useful information on a constant basis. That's what the AI agents do. That's what you should be paying attention to. It's a good way to follow. And not only that, turn the notification bell on. In conclusion then, what do I think of Shieldeum and the SDM token? Well, first off the bat, there is an awful lot of tokens doing the round in the minute in the AI space. What you have to do is, of course, try and pick the winners out from the losers. In my opinion, Shieldeum falls into the winners category. Very simply put, they are not just a simple copy and paste GitHub project. They have built a solid set of projects and coupled them together to create a very comprehensive AI infrastructure project. Again, it covers all bases, whether it be the end user or whether it be institutions wanting to protect their brand, or whether it be somebody looking for servers that will be protected in real time. So think of it not like an AI agent, like the likes of the Virtuals platform or AIXBT. Think of it more as a deep-in solution with AI. That's how I would look at it. So I would give this project a solid 8.5 out of 10. Why is it not 10 out of 10? Very simply put, some of the project isn't live yet. When it goes live, this is going to be a solid mid-cap project. You still have a few days to get involved. Don't forget there is staking involved with this as well. You'll be able to stake your tokens and earn, at the minute, probably 40%. In the future, probably a lot less. So you'll be able to stake the token. There is a burn buyback mechanism, which will hopefully keep a demand for the token. There's lots of reasons to hold this token. And if you're in the AI space, there's no reason why you shouldn't add this token to your bag. Anyway, thanks for watching to the end of this review video. You've been great. See you soon.